Welcome to our BuySmart Showdown. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two popular countertop dishwashers, the Farberware FDW05ASBWHA and the Urlex portable dishwasher. Both of these compact appliances are designed for convenience and efficiency, perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or dorms. We'll break down their features, including water supply options, cleaning capabilities, and price points, to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Farberware FDW05ASBWHA features a built-in 5-liter water tank, allowing for true portability without the need for plumbing hookups. In contrast, the Urlex countertop dishwasher offers a dual water supply system, which can either connect to a faucet or use a bucket for automatic water absorption. This flexibility makes the Urlex a versatile option, especially for those who may not have easy access to a water source. When it comes to cleaning capabilities, the Farberware model offers specialized cycles such as baby care, glass, and fruit wash, ensuring thorough cleaning for a variety of items. On the other hand, the Urlex model includes 4 cleaning modes, including a strong wash and a dedicated drying mode that utilizes PTC hot air for effective sanitization. This makes the Urlex a strong contender for those who prioritize hygiene. Price is always a consideration when making a purchase. The Farberware FDW05ASBWHA comes in at $399, reflecting its robust features and integrated water tank. In contrast, the Urlex countertop dishwasher is priced at $359, making it a more budget-friendly option. However, potential buyers should consider the value each model offers based on their unique needs. In conclusion, both the Farberware FDW05ASBWHA and the Urlex countertop dishwasher have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize portability and specialized cleaning cycles, the Farberware is a solid choice. However, if you need flexibility in water supply and a lower price point, the Urlex may be the better option for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.